In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Loop, bring up the search tool, and quickly find any page, workspace, or component you need. First, open your browser and head to the Microsoft Loop site. This is the home for Loop on the web and works best in a modern, up-to-date browser. Once you're there, look for the option that says Get Started with Loop and click it. This opens the Loop web app where all your workspaces and pages live. If you're taken to the main Loop dashboard, you're in the right place and ready to search. Now let's find the search control. On the left side of the screen, you'll see Loop's navigation panel. Scan this sidebar for the magnifying glass icon or a button labeled Search. That icon is your gateway to searching across your Loop content, including workspaces, pages, and portable components. Go ahead and click the search icon. When you do, a search box will appear, usually near the top. This is where you'll enter your keywords. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can bring up the same search box with a quick shortcut like Ctrl+J. It's a fast way to jump into search without taking your hands off the keyboard, especially if you're switching between pages frequently. In the search box, type exactly what you're looking for. That could be the title of a page, a keyword from a meeting note, a project name, or even a term inside a component. As you type, Loop typically suggests matches in real time, so you'll see likely results start to appear underneath. If you get too many results, try adding a distinctive word from the document or narrow your term. Short, specific keywords often work best. When you see the item you need, click the result. Loop will open it immediately and take you straight to that page or component. From here, you can continue working, share it with teammates, or copy a link if you need to reference it elsewhere. If the first result isn't what you expected, go back to the